you need to know the ingredients you have in your own area. Those ingredients is what will make your feed cheap, because you can't go to the south to buy raw materials and transport it to the north. Then you use it to produce feed in the north. That is why we're having high cost of feed in some countries, in some areas, because you go to the north and buy things. Those raw materials are very cheap in that particular area. Then they now convey it, spend a huge amount of money to another location, thereby adding value to that particular product, making it very, very costly for farmers to buy. But let me tell you, if you can buy these raw materials within your backyard, you know who process pap in your backyard. You go there and buy the waste from the pap. You know those that process cooking oil, groundnut oil. You go there and buy the waste, soya bean meal, groundnut cake meal. You see those that produce soap. You go there and buy the palm kernel cake from them. They have extracted what they need to process or to sell out to the market. Now you go there, it is cheap for you because they will sell it at a very low cost, because they have made their money already. I don't know whether you are getting me. But if you travel far to another region of your country to go and buy those raw materials, because they are very predominant, they are common in that area, the cost of transport alone will make it very expensive in your own region. But if you buy it from your backyard, if you use most of the waste you even generate in your kitchen, do you know that the waste you generate in your kitchen can take care of 50 beds for you? Then assuming you now gather from 4 or 10 kitchens, do you know how much you are making? Do you know these guys that sell that fry plantain? Do you know that plantain peas are very viable in livestock production? Do you know that? Those that sell yam, the fried yam, those yam peas are very good. They are viable in poultry feed formulation. Those that do fast food, that break cake and break egg, use the egg, fry it to customers. Customers eat, they throw the egg into a dustbin, waiting for who to pack it. Then, my dear, why don't you go there and buy these things, or give them money, to little amount of money, give them sack to keep it for you. You see those that peel orange, peel pineapple, peel pawpaw and sell in trays. If you go there in the morning, you see the dump they have. All this is they pack it and throw it away to the bush. Then the bush animals will eat and get fat. When people are here crying for cost of feed, have you seen why we are missing it out? But if you know the nutritional value of all these components, all these products, what they contains, where they can be applied to, is it for poultry, broiler, is it for egg, is it turkey, is it geese, is it guinea fowl, all this. But when both guinea fowl, geese, dog, pigeon, everybody comes out looking for the same processed bag of feed, it makes it very costly. The demand now is very high, higher than the suppliers, and you see that only few companies produce feed, whereas we have high demand. That's why they can sell it at any cost for you. So if you don't want to buy it, you go in and start making your own feed. I want to encourage you to start processing your own feed. I'm going to upload this video now. Watch this video to the end and get inspired inside your spirit to know that you can do it. It doesn't cost much. If you don't have money to buy equipment like us here, you buy the little grinding machine. These ones they use to grind corn. These people that do pap in your area, you see them. It's not very expensive. It's not up to $20. You buy it, keep it in your farm, then get the knowledge on how to formulate feed. Get the nutritional components of all the raw materials within your area. Then what do? You keep them in your farm, dry them, crush it, mix it based on the feed formula, and dish out to your livestock animals. You don't need to go to the market any longer. You only go to the market to buy, if possible, the micronutrients like the lysine, the methionine, the antioxidant and the rest of them. Even the antioxidants, the ordinary extracts from the herbs can even cover those areas. Then why are we complaining of the cost of feed? For me here, I don't complain because I have everything within my area. Even on my table here, I have the raw materials within here. People even come and beg, come and carry because they don't know the value of it. Do you know the component of cassava peel? When I introduced cassava peel formula, that was in early 2015. It went viral on some of my platforms where I posted it. You see people rushing it. Do you know that cassava peel can replace corn? Because corn is of high demand. Both human beings, companies are looking for it to process biscuits or other things that is used in making one product or the other. But here, the corn is of high demand. Cassava peel, they throw it away in the bush. You see people discarding it. But animals need them. The livestock need them. Then why don't you go there? In some areas within our locality here, they even beg us to come and carry it. We have them here. We use it to process our feed, and the livestock are doing very well, very well. You can see the kind of weight we are producing. So why not do it now? Let us make out time, go live, then teach you how to process this feed. Then how you can formulate the feed by yourself using available local raw materials. That's the only thing that will make it cheap for you. Let's go there. Please share this video. Please share this video so that let's get inspired. Let's move up this particular platform. If you have enough people, I can go live and teach you each country. You mention your country, I will tell you the products we use here that will be very cheap for you. You mention your region, even in Nigeria here, you mention your region here, I will tell you what you need within your backyard. All these people that sell Barbara nuts is very common in some states. The rice bran, rice offers, you see wheat offers, some of them throw it away. Don't even know the value. You go there and buy most of all those things. Some of them there are even crying of high cost of feed, whereas they have it in their backyard. I don't know whether you understand me now. You go to abattoir where they slaughter animals, you see all those things there. Those things there are very, very important. Do you know that liquid alone contains 85 to 90% crude protein? Can you imagine? When ordinary feed, you are looking for ordinary 21% crude protein for you to produce starter. But only one item alone that you even get from abattoir in a slaughterhouse has more than almost 90% crude protein. Can you imagine that we don't even need to cry for feed here? It's only that we don't know how to process it. Thank you for sharing this video. Bye. This is just a motivational speech for you to get inspired tonight. Get inspired today. Wherever you are watching, I don't know your time set. Get inspired and know that you can do it within your area. Pawpaw peel alone contains high level of nutrients, vitamins, minerals, and even some level of protein that is very good for the livestock animals. Let's go there. Thank you. Share this video, please. Share this video. Let this video get viral. Let us upgrade this our platform. Let's get to a number. At least if we can get to 2,000, I can go live and teach you all this. Bye for now.